In this question, we are given three angles A, B, and C. इनका सम पाई के इक्वल है and we have to find the value of cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C plus 2 cos A cos B cos B. So somewhat tricky question. Let's start. We have to write the cos square A like 1 minus sin square A plus cos square B plus cos square C plus 2 cos A cos B cos B. Now we know that cos square B minus sin square A. It will be cos square B minus sin square A is equals to cos A plus B cos A minus B. This is a identity which is used in many questions. So it will be 1 plus cos A plus B cos A minus B plus cos square C plus 2 cos A cos B cos C. As we know that A plus B plus C equal pi. So as A plus B plus C equal pi, which implies C equal pi minus A plus B. So cos C will be minus of cos A plus B. So you write 1 this cos A plus B. Replace it with minus of cos C. So 1 minus cos C cos A minus B plus cos square C plus 2 cos A cos B cos C. You can take cos C common from these two terms. So 1 minus cos C cos A minus B minus cos C plus 2 cos A cos B cos C. Again this cos C should be written as minus of cos A plus B. So the term inside the bracket becomes this is minus of cos A plus B, so this becomes cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. 1 minus cos C cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. This we have derived in this line that cos C is equal to minus of cos A plus B plus 2 cos A cos B cos C. Now you just expand or use the identity in the for this bracket cos A minus B plus cos A plus B. It will be 2 cos A cos B and multiplied by cos C. So 1 minus 2 cos A cos B cos C plus 2 cos A cos B cos C. These two terms cancel out, they are additive inverses of each other, and what we are left is only 1, a constant. So this first option is correct. But in this question, in this kind of questions, since the exam is objective, and so you can take just example taking and find the value. Since it will be true for all, इतना लंबा सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं as the exam is objective. Just A equal pi, B equal 0, C equal 0. There is only one condition, and this example what we have taken satisfies this condition. So put the value and cos square A यानी cos square pi minus 1 होता है, cos minus 1 square is 1, cos square B 1, cos square C 1 हो जाएगा, cos A will be minus 1, cos B 1, minus 1, 1, 1, it will be minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 1 plus 1 minus 2, simply 1. Only in one line you get the answer. Just take the simplest of the examples which satisfies all the given conditions in the question. You just take that example and find the required value. It will take only 10-15 seconds as compared to this which take 2 or 3 minutes. And it is difficult to crack the logic behind this.